Mannatech really does lead the way in all nutritional technologies, and I know that sounds like a marketing statement, but it's really a science statement. In fact, one of our categories that we're so outstanding in is vitamin and mineral. Of course, everyone needs vitamin and mineral every day to maintain normal, healthy systems and function. And it was back in 1941 that the National Academy of Sciences in the United States said, it looks like maybe we should start to recommend minimums of vitamins and minerals every day. It was a good place to start. Well, it was in the 1930s that synthetic chemists decided that they could manipulate petroleum molecules and turn them into something that looked, well, kind of like vitamins. We call those synthetic vitamins today, and 95% of all the vitamins sold in the world are synthetic, either made from petroleum or coal tar. So we've been able to make considerable progress and come out as what I believe is the leader in all of vitamin mineral technology in the world. Why? Well, what we provide is real food technology. After all, your body was designed to get vitamins and minerals from food, not from rocks, not from petroleum or from coal tar, but actually from food. In fact, the majority of vitamins are found in plant tissue, and of course, animal tissue also provides vitamin and mineral as well. This is how we're supposed to get our vitamins and minerals. So Mannatech, going through their research year after year, we're looking to progress from the old systems where you started with synthetics and you go to chelates and then you go to fractionates and so on, and now we've progressed to the pinnacle of vitamin mineral technology, real food technology. How do we do it? Well, we start with something called the Indian mustard plant. And you might say, mustard plant, why would you start with that? Of all the plants researched in science, that one plant is known to absorb mineral more efficiently from soil than any other plant researched in the world. Well, obviously, we want to be as efficient as we can in making all of our products. Now, we put that in hydroponic bays. Why? Because there was a scientific study that showed that the absorption and then concentration of minerals when taken up from hydroponics or fluid as opposed to soil was significantly higher in the plants, even in the Indian mustard plant. In fact, some of these minerals were not only hundreds of percent higher in uptake, but actually thousands of percent higher in intake. So again, this increases our efficiency. Hydroponics does something else for us. It allows us to control the growth environment. We control the water. You can't control the soil on a farm, but you can control the purity of the water in a hydroponic bay. So this gives us even, in my opinion, better than organic. Here's another step that makes it better than organic. We standardize the nutrients in our product called Phytomatrix. So Phytomatrix, we start with the Indian mustard plant. We put standardized levels of vitamin and mineral. So these are things that you want to get from broccoli and Brussels sprout and kale and cauliflower and turnips and tomatoes. All these things that you should be eating, but probably aren't eating or maybe aren't eating enough of each day. You don't just eat those for roughage. You don't just eat those for vitamin and mineral. You eat them for the phytochemical content of those plants. Well, we standardize those as well. This makes it better than organic, not just because of the cleanliness and the control, but because you'll never find two plants that are absolutely identical. Never. And that's the problem when you're just trying to maintain by diet alone. Say, well, a stalk of broccoli should have this much nutrient in it, but this stalk of broccoli and that stalk of broccoli are going to have two different levels of nutrient. When you use Phytomatrix, or PhytoBlend, or Nutriverus, you're getting standardized levels of vitamin, of mineral, and phytochemical, so that we know that you're not only getting the safest, the cleanest, the purest, and real food technology, but you're also getting exactly the same level with every tablet that you ingest. And that is crucially important to anyone who cares about maintaining optimal wellness. You want to know that you're doing the best for yourself every day, You don't want to guess and think, well, did I get the same level today as I got yesterday? No, you want to know it, and you can do it if you're using standardized supplements. So real food technology, how does this compare to the other vitamin products out there? Well, there's not even a second best. The other products, well, sometimes they'll have clever things like the minerals are chelated. Okay, well that's good. Chelation does improve mineral absorption by an average, according to study, of about 6%. That's good. But that's not real food. It's still rocks. It's still ground up rocks that have been treated to help you absorb something which is not food. And then some minerals are metallic. Literally, they're metal shavings. That doesn't sound very appetizing, and it sure isn't food. And sure, you can bond them to amino acids, that's called chelation, and that does improve absorption a tiny amount, but it's still not food. So all of these tremendous differences in Phytomatrix. So the vitamins, you need them every day. It's real food, your body knows what to do with it. And the minerals and the phytonutrients, all standardized and all the best we can possibly provide for you. Safest, purest, cleanest, most effective technology. That's what we want you to have every day. That's a great place to start for your daily program.